In this video, I'll be reviewing Qustodio, a family control website that allows parents to monitor their children's online activity, manage screen time, and ensure a safer browsing experience. As a parent, it's important to have tools that give you peace of mind while your child is online, and Qustodio promises to do just that. Let's dive into how the site works, its key features, and how it performs in real-world use. When you first visit the Qustodio website, you'll notice a clean, user-friendly design. It offers a variety of plans depending on how many devices you need to monitor, and it supports both Android and iOS. The sign-up process is straightforward, and setting up the monitoring for your child's device is simple, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Once you're set up, you can access your dashboard, where you can monitor your child's screen time, check their browsing history, and even block specific websites. One of the features I appreciate is the ability to set daily time limits for app usage, ensuring your child isn't spending too much time on their phone or tablet. Are you sure your phone is really yours? CleGuard helps you uncover the truth, safeguard your data, and sleep easy. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. One area where Qustodio excels is the ability to track social media usage. The app tracks activity on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat, giving you insight into how your child is interacting online. While this is a great tool for safety, it can also be a bit intrusive, depending on your level of comfort with monitoring social interactions. On the downside, Qustodio's web filtering isn't perfect. While it can block inappropriate content, it sometimes misses certain sites or misclassifies others, which can be frustrating. Another thing to note is that some of the features, like advanced reporting, are only available with a premium version, so you might need to upgrade if you want more in-depth analytics. Overall, Qustodio is a solid tool for parents who want to stay informed about their child's online activities. It offers great monitoring features, but it does come with some limitations when it comes to content filtering and advanced reporting. Still, for the price and convenience, it's a useful app to consider if you're looking for ways to keep your children safe online. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews like this.